We're excited to officially launch Opinnate NSPM version 4.2.1 packed with powerful new capabilities designed to make your firewall policy management smarter and more efficient than ever. Shadowed rule analysis now works with Active Directory users and groups. Say hello to support for VMware, NSX, and Cisco Firepower. You can now attach Excel files to alerts and export reports directly to Excel. Get real-time rule change alerts with custom filters like Rule IDOR Source IP. Tags are here. Create and assign them for better visibility. Manage URL categories on Fortinet and Palo Alto, right from Opinnate. Collect syslogs from multiple IPs per firewall. And yes, rule usage analysis now handles a 16 and even 8 networks. Opinnate 4.2.1 is smarter, faster, and more connected than ever. Stay tuned. Demo videos are on the way.